Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Value of time. Value of time. Let's start. There is a common and true saying that saying time and tide waits for none, which means time never waits for anyone. One should have to go with time side by side. Time comes and goes as usual, but never stays. Time is cost, free of cost, stays for all, but one can never sell it or buy it is unbounded means no one can limit the time to any foundation. It is the time which makes everyone to dance around. Nothing in this world can defeat it or win from it. When time is called as the strongest thing in this world, which can damage and improve anyone. Time is very powerful. One can kneel down in front of it, powerful, but never defeat it. We are not able to measure its potential because sometime only one moment is enough to win, whereas enough moment sometime it takes whole life to win. One can be richest in a minute, and one can be poor richest in a moment. Only one moment is enough to create a difference between life and death. Each and every moment brings lots of golden opportunities to us. We just need to understand the indication of time and use it. Every moment is a big storehouse, big storehouse of the new chances in the life, new chances. So we never let go of such precious time, such precious, and make full use of it. If we do late in understanding the value and indication of time, value and indication, we may lose both the golden opportunities and most precious time from our life. It is the most basic truth of the life, most basic truth that we should never allow our golden time to pass away from us unnecessarily. Golden time to pass away from us unnecessarily. We should utilize time positively, and fruitfully to go to our destination, the best destination. Way to utilize time in useful manner. We should make a timetable to do everything at right time. Please friends, like this video, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.